If you're someone who's thinking about creating another income through either small business or liquid assets, you may want to hear this. So this question was asked to me through an impromptu interview, pero naisip ko mas ma-okay talaga yung parang may illustrations natin. And this was also asked to me by a client this morning, so I just want to share it with you guys.
Option is liquid investment. So if you're going to invest 10,000 monthly, that's 120,000 per year. So let's say kumita siya ng 10%, so that's 132,000, and after 10 years, around 1.7 or 1.8 million. If that's okay with you, na chill ka, focus ka sa trabaho, kumikita yung pera mo, you may wanna go for this. And if you're going to start a business, I know someone nag-start a business of 5,000 pesos. However, sa time, iba talaga, 7 days a week ka, magtatrabaho, and then wala kang pride kasi talaga, di ba, ngayon nasa aircon ka. Siyempre, kung maghahanap ka ng supplier, pupuntahan mo talaga sila, so pawis-pawis ka dyan, and minsan, ikaw pa magde-deliver kasi wala ka talagang pambayad, nagtitipid ka, wala kang pambayad ng boy, wala kang pambayad ng driver, so, ganun pag small business, and not much entertainment. As in, hindi siya nanonood ng TV before, hindi siya nagsa-social media, and there was a time na scam siya kasi naghahanap siya ng supplier, kasi hindi siya nakahanap, tapos nagbayad lang siya, wala siyang nakuha. You'll definitely encounter a lot of self-doubt. The question is, with all of this and a lot more, worth it ba siya? So let's check kung magkano yung kinita niya. After 4 years, actually nakapagpagawa siya ng bahay. So ayan, 7 million. Ask yourself, magkano yung kapital na kaya mo, magkano yung kaya mong malose, kaya mong i-risk, na kumbaga okay ka pa rin, you can still sleep kapag nawala yung money na yon. And then time, ilang oras ba yung maaalat mo? Willingness, are you willing to learn ka na mag-business? It's a very complex world. What are you willing to give up? So are you willing to say no to a lot of things na ginagawa mo before? Kasi it's comfortable kapag nag-i-invest ka lang here sa liquid investment. But here, marami kang ginagawa. And then what are you willing to risk? And then yung faith mo. Kasi akala mo, alam mo na. Pero marami pa palang pwedeng gawin si Lord sa'yo. Pwede mong i-replace ito dito. Kasi minsan, akala natin na analyze na natin, pero iba pa rin pag si Lord ang nagtrabaho.
Siyempre, hindi naman about faith lang. Siyempre, faith is action. And hindi kailangan na, kumbaga, if you're trying to catch a bus, di ba dapat tumatakbo ka, nagpipray ka, hindi yung naglalakad ka, tapos nagpipray ka, and then you expect a miracle na mahuhuli mo, makakatch mo yung bus. Do you get me? Iniisip natin kung liquid investments ba or yung hard assets ba. So, sometimes pwedeng namang both eh. You just have to ask yourself those important questions and take actions, of course. And then somewhere along the way, malalaman mo naman talaga.